What was I saying? Unraveling the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase that you might have heard in conversations. What was I saying? This might seem simple at first glance, but it's packed with nuances that can help you understand native speakers better and even sound more like one yourself. So, let's get into it. At its core, what was I saying? Is a question someone asks when they've lost their train of thought. This can happen because they were interrupted, they paused to think of something else, or perhaps they just momentarily forgot what they were talking about. It's a request for help to recall the last topic of discussion. But there's more to it than just forgetting. This phrase also serves several social functions. Firstly, it's a way to re-engage the listener. By asking this question, the speaker is indirectly saying that the listener's attention is valued. Secondly, it can act as a smooth transition back to a previous topic, especially if the conversation had drifted away. Lastly, it can lighten the mood, especially if said with a laugh or a smile, acknowledging the all-too-human moment of forgetfulness. Knowing when to use "what was I saying" is crucial. It's most appropriate in informal settings among friends, family, or colleagues with whom you have a relaxed relationship. Using it in a formal presentation might not be the best choice, though there are exceptions depending on the context and your rapport with the audience. As for how, the tone of voice is key. It's usually said with a light, inquisitive tone, often accompanied by a smile or a slight laugh. This non-verbal communication signals that you're not seriously upset about the lapse but are interested in continuing the conversation. It's interesting to note that similar expressions exist in many languages, reflecting a universal experience. However, the exact phrasing, tone, and when it's appropriate to use can vary significantly from one culture to another. In English-speaking cultures, it's a fairly casual and common phrase, but always be mindful of the setting and the company. And there we have it, a deep dive into the phrase, "What was I saying?" We hope this exploration helps you feel more comfortable using it and understanding it in conversations. Remember, mastering a language is not just about knowing the words but also understanding the context and the culture that give those words life. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.